You might think that $15 an hour, that's going to give you $31,000 a year. But hold on, we need to think about taxes too. So here's how it works. If you earn $15 an hour, your gross income, that's before taxes, 15 times 40 hours in a week is $600. That's your gross income. It's what you're paid before taxes. And 52 weeks times that $600, that gives you $31,200 a year. Again, your gross income. And it gets grosser because after taxes, you're going to lose 20%. That means weekly, instead of $600, you get $480. And yearly, we're talking annually here. Now, these numbers are for if you're single. If you have dependents, you're probably going to pay a lot less than that 20%. But if you're single, that's how much that you're going to have in your pocket at the end of the week here and at the end of the year. I hope this helped so you can predict how much you need to budget for the week and the year. Thanks for watching.